This is crazy. Oh, jeez. Okay, I'm getting this. I don't know if I'm getting the hat or not. Definitely getting that.
I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna buy this hat. Come here. I hate you. Take a hostage. Take a hostage. You mother! Look at me, bro. Look at me. Look at me, bro. Take a hostage.
Okay, guys. So I bought this spicy pepper. I bought this cup. This fire thing. And I got the volcano badge. That's basically it. Yeah. Oh, what the? That's new music. Oh, that's... Hold on, I haven't seen Forest at all yet. Oh! Gee! There's the volcano that was on the... Holy... This is crazy.
I'm about to run on lava. Do that, please.
Crap, this is...
Show me how to run on lava, please.
This is crazy.
It hurts on the feet. Look, it hurts the feet, but I think it's okay.
I really like this update. It's really good.
Banana, give me a bite of your pepper. Give me a bite of your pepper. Give me a bite of the pepper.
Okay.
I need a...
Wait.
Let me... More. I need fire. Fire coming out of my mouth.
Hold on, wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it to recharge.
Why is everybody lava still?
You put rocks in it?
Yeah, put it in.
Yeah.
Oh, it fills it up. Wait, that's cool.
Too high. Kobe. That was cool. Yeah, I know. His name was me.
Oh,
Who's left?
I'm already lava, so it doesn't matter, right? I'm still scared of it, though. I'm still scared of it.
Okay, stay up here, Banana. Wait till
That's
pork.
crazy.
Wait, pork.
I'm recording a YouTube video right now for this. I'm recording
Wait till
YouTube.
yellow's tagged.
No way, how are you doing that?